everybody, it's Lori at Pizazz Studios. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Today I'm doing one of my Fibonacci swirls on an 8x10 canvas. Now, I've actually shown a couple of videos already on this technique. I've been doing them for probably about a year now, and I've just started creating the videos on it. I have a canvas here in front of me that previously I used, but I scraped off because I didn't like the way it came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and reuse this one. And what I'm doing is I'm just using up some colors that I used previously in my collaboration video. I can tell you what video that was if you're interested. I'll leave all this information down in the description box for you. So right now I'm just gonna pour down my base paint, which is white. This is actually a house paint that I have. Now I do have just a little bit of GAC 800 in here from Golden and some water actually, because I had it sitting and it did thicken up on me and I didn't want to really add any more GAC 800, so I went ahead and added water to it to thin it. I'm going to just cover my canvas here. I'll speed this part up for you. Okay, my canvas is now completely covered. I'm going to torch this lightly because I do have some air bubbles from mixing in the water that I mixed into the paint. I have a really fun tool, and today I'm using this tool here. Sort of using my bloom recipe. I'm not going for perfect blooms. What I'm trying to create are more cells in here. But also, I like the effect of the bloom when I blow it out. So I'm actually looking for a certain look in order to get the look that I'm going for. So hopefully I've got enough paint here. I'm using leftover paint like I said. This one's a Pebeo Iridescent Blue-Green. I did just make up a fresh cell activator though, so I do have a fresh batch of that. And for the cell activator today, I'm using a black one. In the cell activator, I'm using Australian Floetrol and also Oxide Black from Amsterdam. And that is a 3:1 ratio for that. Don't always use Australian Floetrol. I have a few different cell activator recipes, but today that is the one I am using. That red color I just put down was Crimson by Loft. This one is Liquitex Basics Primary Yellow. This is Loft Orange. This is DecoArt's 24 karat gold. So that's 5 colors, and now I'm going to use my cell activator, so I will put that down and then I'm going to blow these out with my mouth, and I'll speed this part up for you as well. So I've laid down 3 more small puddles of white, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing over here now with the same colors. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in and give you a close-up here as best I can. We'll do another one afterwards. Let this sit for a moment. I made a clock in my collaboration video and it has sold. I am about to pack this up and ship it off to its new owner. Thank you, Corey, so much for your purchasing of my clock. I appreciate you. In this clock, it sold very quickly, and you can always email me if you're interested in something that you see that is no longer on my website. My website is pizzazstudios.com. That is also in the description box. Feel free to email me. The email address is down in the description box as well. I'm more than happy to make something for you by request as well. I consider all commission work, so feel free to email me anytime. Even if you like it, but you may be thinking you want different colors or something like that. I'm always open to suggestions or special commission work, just so you know. Now, this looks like it's been sitting long enough. I'm gonna spin this a little bit first. So let's do that. I don't wanna spin too hard. I do wanna stretch the paint out a little bit. There's a lot of paint up here. And I want it to get down over the edges as well. Oh, it's really pretty on the edges. All right, this looks pretty. Now, I'm gonna use my tool to make my Fibonacci swirls. They're just so pretty. Okay, now for the fun part. Kind of excited. I really love these. I love making my swirls. I'm gonna use the wide side of my tool here. Boy, that bloom is pretty. Let's do this. I'm gonna put it in the center. I'm gonna do my swirl outward and we'll see what happens. Here we go. Oh, wow. That's really cool. Wow, so pretty. So I'm gonna leave it as is. It looks amazing. There's a lot of iridescence. I like the way the colors blended together. It looks really pretty. Let me zoom in for you, show you what I get. We'll take this out of the phone holder actually and give you another close-up too. So now I have it in my hand. Let's zoom in for a close-up here. So if you watched my other videos, I did those on tiles. Then you'll see how those came out. Now I'm interested in your opinion. Do you feel like you like it on a larger canvas, on a larger surface? Do you like it on the tiles? Do you like it on both? I'm just curious as to people's opinions and feedback. The tiles are 4 1/4 inches. This particular canvas is an 8 by 10. So obviously much larger than a tile. I think the edges are really neat too. The gold in the Pebeo iridescent blue-green gives it some nice shimmer. I'm going to think about this one. After it dries, I may or may not embellish this. I don't know yet. I'm going to think on that, and I'm going to decide once it dries so I can see if I get any other ideas from it. So that's my Fibonacci swirl technique on an 8 by 10 canvas. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button. I appreciate that. If you'd like to see more of these, let me know in the comments section. All right. That's that. Let me know if you have any questions or anything like that also down below in the comments section. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you on the next video. Bye for now.